and after that to take showers and baths. For baths, 88% respondents use water tank, that concrete water tank, and 12% respondents use water showers. 35% of respondents have noticed leakings of main water supply line within last 3 months. Finally, here are the results of our observation for leak detection. These observations did not give any possible results. We have detected a leak in main water supply line of the camp. It was 276 liters per hour. Our results confirm that per capita water consumption of School of Signals is higher than any other military installation in Sri Lanka. This level of supply is 4 times higher than the standard level for basic water requirements for domestic purposes. There is a water use indicator called Falcon Mark water stress indicator. They considered 100 liters per person per day is sufficient to provide minimum acceptable quality of life. Then, World Health Organization also suggested minimum level of 50 liters per person per day for domestic use. But they are using 500 liters per person per day. The present per capita domestic withdrawals of all army camps in 1-1 division is higher to this level. Findings of this research have revealed that high water consumption per capita is due to 3 main causes. First one is leaking from main water supply line. Second one is overflowing from water storage tanks. Then water use behavior of the people. Our findings confirm that leakings from main water supply system together with overflowing from water storage tank have a significant impact on water budget of this camp. It will collectively account 1/5 of the monthly total water consumption, leaks and overflowing. Analysis of water use behavior also revealed that soldiers of this camp have much greater need for water for drinking and hygienic purposes than other users. Since this is a training school, soldiers have to engage with more physically strenuous activities. But when considered about water requirement for hygienic purposes, this camp have been using more water amount greater than 20 times of WHO, World Health Organization standards. This is due to usage of water buckets instead of 4 flush sewer system. They are using 4 liter water buckets. Is it expected that water use for baths and toilet will be substantial in Sri Lanka, even in future, according to past trends of usage rates? It is probably difficult for people to reduce water usage for bathing from hygienic point of view. On the other hand, reducing water use in the toilet might contribute to reducing the water level of per capita water use in future. Bathing as one of the major water using activity accounts 1/4 of average water use per capita of the camp. This is due to usage of tank bucket system instead of using showers. Water requirement for food preparation in this camp is 5 times higher than the standard water usage. Regular maintenance of water fixture is a necessary and the system should comprise with leak detectors. Installation of level instrumentation of water storage tanks such as floating valves, ball cocks and ball valves reduces the overflow rate by 90%. When considered about the water use for hygienic purposes, shifting to water showers from concrete tanks have a great impact to the total water budget, total water bill. it will save nearly 2/5 of water bill. It was considered that the amount of water used for flushing toilets would be substantial even in future. The replacement of a conventional toilet with a water-saving type, water-efficient toilet, is hence one effective solution for reducing per capita water use in future. Capacity building and training of staff on water matters are vital to achieve behavioral change. This research suggests that necessity of alternative water resource to this camp. Though an alternative source camp can save 1/5 of their monthly water budget, and it will also needful in the times of water scarcity. Here I mentioned alternative water source such as artesian well or dug well or tube wells. This is my conclusion. The greatest water challenge for Sri Lankan Army is the water cost. This research has confirmed 2/5 amount of water used in this camp is due to water waste. Therefore, we can clearly see that full performance in efficient water use have not been realized by this camp. Present water supply system not adequate to make an effective change. Full system renovation is essential to reduce the water waste. With this, I'm concluding my presentation. This is just a beginning, and we have to work more to stopping the worsening of water situation of Sri Lanka Army. Thank you.